Hello guys, my name is Nikola, and today I'm going to show you how to build your own Instagram bot. Functionalities that bot will have are he can log into our account, then he will follow followers of an account that we passed username to our bot. He will follow their followers and like 1 to 3 photos of them, and if they don't follow us until 3 days past, he will unfollow them. And it is a great, great technology, great. It is a great project for medium level of JavaScript. We will build that bot in JavaScript because I used to focus on the Python Selenium, and some of the libraries meant for that, but they didn't work as I wanted. And I think JavaScript is a all-around great language to learn. So I will show you today how to build that bot using JavaScript. Okay. There are a few steps how to start. First step is to install Node. How to install Node? Just type Node Windows 10 download, and just download from their official site Windows Node JS. Make sure to click on the right version. If 46-bit, just that, and 32-bit. Just recognize which of these operational systems are your. Okay. Next, you need to install text editor. Text editor, my recommendation is Visual Studio Code, and you can just type Visual Studio Code Windows 10 download and download from their official site. It is a text editor developed by Microsoft, and you can download from here. Just make sure also to click on the right version of your operational system, so that won't be an error. Okay, next thing we need to do is to create folder and index.js file. Okay, just make a new folder, name it whatever you want, JS Instagram bot. Okay, and we have our folder, and open your text editor, and you just need to drag and drop here, and it will automatically open this folder for you. Okay, and how to create new file? Just click on the folder, close that open editors, and click on the JS Instagram bot, create a new file, and name it index.js file, and we have our file ready. Okay, next step is to install dependencies, and dependencies we are going to use we need Node, because we need a Node package manager in aka npm to install technologies that we are going to work with, and command is next npm install, and we have to install 3 technologies: Puppeteer, Instauto, and .env. Okay, what those technologies do? Puppeteer allow us to like a web driver. It allows us to our browser work on headless mode. Then Instauto is a library written in JavaScript, made for purpose to make Instagram bot. There is a GitHub account. I will leave you in the comment link of this GitHub account, and you can find very useful resources here, and it is necessary if we want to make our bot work. And the last one is .env. That is a library that let us hide our informations by making .env files. Okay, that's all, and we are going to start, and we're going to code our first Instagram bot. Okay, to to start, we need to first install dependencies, and as we said, just type in your terminal npm install puppeteer instauto and .env. Okay, and Node Package Manager will do all the job for us. We don't need to do that. Okay. And in a moment we will see those technologies installed. Okay, wait one more second. As you can see, we've got this node modules file. It is a huge file that contains a lot of node modules, in other words, libraries. That we are not going to use all of those libraries. We are going to use .env. As you can see, here is a library. We are going to use Puppeteer. We can find it here. Puppeteer. Here is Puppeteer. It is for using Chrome for bot purpose. And last one is Instauto, and here is Instauto, and you can see it is installed, and we have here this index.js file. It is very important to us. Okay, and we can start coding. Okay, first thing we need to do is to declare that our file will be need to be executed in the strict mode. So we are going to use syntax use strict. Okay, that is the first. All the modern browsers work in that way. They're executing code in a strict way. So it is very important to declare that our code is in strict mode. Okay. Then we are going to import our libraries. First is we need to import .env, and to call config function to make sure our env works. Okay, and we called config function. Next, we need to import Puppeteer. Require Puppeteer. If you don't see, I'm using tab 9. That is auto complete engine that helps you write faster your code. It is assuming by using artificial intelligence. You can download tab 9 from here. Just type tab 9. Sorry, my net is bad. I don't know how is this possible. It is so slow. Okay, that was and you can see tab 9 here, and just download it from here if you want. Okay, wait a second, there is a bit problem. We need to again try to install our dependencies. My internet is very slow, so I'm going to try to install them again. Puppeteer instauto and .env. There was some problem, and we're going to continue to code until it doesn't finish installation. Then we are going to import Instauto, require Instauto. Okay, and in this way we imported our technologies or libraries for JavaScript, that is Puppeteer, Instauto, and .env library, and we are going to use them to build up this project. And as you can see, npm finished adding those packages and installing them. so you can clear console by typing clear. Okay. We imported those technologies, and okay, and we got a package.json that is very important. Here we can see all the dependencies and the versions of those technologies that we just installed in our project. And okay, and you can see there those technologies. Okay, next we are going to configure options. Const options that is equal to this. Okay, and we need to declare where our cookies gonna store. Cookies path. It is our bot will automatically create those databases, and those databases will be in JSON format. Those databases will they are meant cookies are meant for storing cookies, so bot doesn't need to start all over again every time. Then we are going to have follow.json, and bot will store all the accounts that he followed, unfollow.json, and liked-photos.json. And first we need to create then we can store that in the one folder. So this is a relative path, and this is a root folder, and we are saying to our program that we want to for him to create a folder called database, okay, database, and in that folder we want our file cookies.json. Okay. And we just declare that we want our database here. Next, we need to add username for Instagram bot to log in, and password as well. Okay. Now, what is the point? Username. We can first. There are two ways how to add username. Well, we can just type our username from Instagram and our password, whatever it is, and we are going to use the second way, that is using .env library. .env. How to use .env? We just called from here and imported .env in this file, and how to use. We just need to make a separate file called .env. Just here .env. I have that file already made, but I won't show you because I don't want you to see my username or password. I will just copy in this folder, and I will show you how it needs to look. Okay, I can make the file. Okay, .env, but I will not show you. First, you need to declare variables. First is insta low dash username. Okay, and it is equal to our username. You don't need username, whatever it is. So for example is something like, I don't know, okay, it's a joke. That is the first, and second is insta low dash password, and it is something that is our password, and it is imported in this file. What we need to do is just to call that variables, or we just stored some values here, and we just need to call those. How to call them? Just type process.env insta username. Okay, just make sure to delete that, and after that process.env insta password, and that is all how to leave your username and password. And also you don't want those username and password pushed to the Git if you want to push a whole project on Git. And what you can do, you can just make file called git ignore, and declare here we don't want .env file to be pushed on Git. Also, we don't want node modules. Modules. We want node modules, and that's all. All the other stuff can go on Git. Okay, and there are not. There is more options, but it is the end of a part 1. Thank you for watching. This video will have 2 or 3 parts. I just want to make sure to explain you all the necessary information in details, so you'll understand what you're building and how it is built. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you like it, please like and subscribe for more, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye.